morning, traders. Welcome to the Elliott Wave Street weekly update. I'm Juan Maldonado, and it's a pleasure to start this week with some of our wave counts. Today, we're going to check the euro, which has been a roller coaster the last week with legs up, down, V-type reversals, and a lot of volatility. But even with these complex legs, it's possible to have a good trade plan and of course profit from these cycles. We are starting the analysis by checking what we talked about last week, and we talk about looking for price moving into the previous high just here at this area. And once we have the price building this liquidity absorption, we got the rejection. So last week we were talking that the euro was likely to move back into this area when we were building the corrective leg to take out liquidity and to absorb orders. And we'll see what will be next. After that, we have an aggressive reaction from the highs, and the price almost moves under the previous low. It was rejecting there. We got another leg up, and here is where we are. So the plan that I have for this week on the euro is looking for a rejection of this area, probably a nice green candle happening here. If the price rejects the area, we can look into the price to move back to the previous high and take out this liquidity. Today in the daily membership video for clients, we talk about balance and imbalance, and it's a key topic to master in the auction theory along with Elliott wave. So we are looking for that last move up, and then the rejection probably will be the last one. There is an alternative, and it could be that the price built something a little bit more complex in terms of the wave count, and it could be that a price takes out this area here, and in that case will be better to label as WXYXZ. If the price moves under this area and rejects, actually that will be better. We can have the wave count as the Y here, the X here, and the Z here will be an alternative that we can work with if price takes out this area, because it's actually aggressive to the downside. So that will be the plan. Let's see how it plays out. If you want to have daily updates in the membership, in Elliott Wave Street membership, I post a daily video with the updated view. Let's have a look at another one. One of my favorites for the week is the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD is building a corrective wave, and as traders we can go with the trend or against the trend. In this particular case, I'm looking for a corrective wave to go with the trend. If we look to the left, there is a decent leg up with momentum, and that's the trend. We can say that the trend is bullish and that this is a corrective leg. So the plan that I'm building this week is finding the end of the second wave. That's one of the most important skills that you need to develop when you are applying the Elliott wave theory in your chart, because one thing is building the analysis and the other thing is finding how to get to the end of the leg. How to find the end of the wave is something extremely important, because that's your trade. So in this process, we are seeing that an Elliott wave block has been tested here, and the price has been having a reaction. An Elliott wave block is an exclusive technique that I developed based on the Elliott wave blocks and combining that technique with Elliott wave, and we have the whole course in the membership. So the next Elliott wave block that I'm looking for is this one here. So the price on the dollar CAD this week is likely to absorb this area. We know that the price is absorbing when it's moving down but losing momentum. That's where we can use a MACD or we can use any other indicator to see divergence between the price and the speed of the price. And when the price is decelerating, it's when we can confirm that there is a bullish accumulation or absorption of the sellers. And once we have all this liquidity clear up, the next step in this process, here we're checking smart money concepts, will be finding a bullish candle in this area. Of course, a green candle in this area will be the signal that we need to go long and jump into the trade and target, of course, this previous high first, and probably we can capture a pretty big wave 3 after that. So we have a clear plan, and having a clear plan is important to be successful in this business. Let's have a look at the S&P. On the S&P, last week we were talking about having a good sell-off, a nice leg down, and that happened. And we have some beautiful trades in the membership last week following the leg down. Now we need to start with a fresh bias this week because our corrective wave is over and the S&P is extremely bullish. So for this week, I'm just looking for an ABC formation for the second leg before we continue with the trend. Of course, at this stage of the price cycle, is pretty expensive what we are seeing here. So the next step in the process will be finding the end of one, but more than that is looking for the end of two, to jump into what I believe comes next and is a big wave 3 to the upside, which could lead the price to the 4,500, 600 on the S&P or something like that. On the 15-minute chart, there is a key characteristic. Here I'm using a MACD just to measure the price speed, and we can see how the price is losing momentum, which tells that we are likely to be seeing the completion of wave 1 pretty soon. It's extending, it's wave 5, and can make a couple of highs during the session, but at the end I believe we're going to start seeing the corrective leg. All right, traders, so that's the plan for this week. If you like this analysis, I'm sure that the membership, you are going to love it because we have education, we have daily updates, and we have more cool stuff inside. So you can sign up on our website, elliottwavestreet.com, then click on the membership tab, and there you can pick your plan, the Forex, the stocks, or the full access. Here you can read the content of each membership, and you will have this special offer of $19 the first month, then $75 per month. So you have the whole month to try it out and find out if it fits your trading style. I'm sure you are going to love it because it's the application of the Elliott wave theory in the real life. It's the application every day on candle by candle to find the best trades possible. Please have a fantastic start of your week and your month, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.